Hello and welcome to 48 hours of my 7-day fast. Feeling a little bit hungry, a little bit tired, had a busy day at work today. 48 hours is generally, if you were fasting and you were typically eating a standard Western diet, so you were eating carbohydrates, the 48-hour mark is generally when you start to release large amounts of ketones. And you may be thinking, well, what is the advantage of ketones? Well, ketone bodies are what the body uses as fuel when you run out of glucose, and particularly when the liver runs out of glycogen. So the body stores glucose in the liver in the form of glycogen. And once that energy reserve has been used up, like when you're in a fasted state, you then start to burn ketone bodies. Now, ketone bodies are essentially fatty acids, and they have amazing benefits for the body. They are actually a much cleaner fuel for the body than glucose or sugar. And they are very beneficial to the brain and the spinal cord. So I will be a fat burning machine right now after the 48-hour mark. Other benefits around the 48 or 24-hour plus mark is that the body goes into something which is called autophagy. Autophagy is basically self-eating, which doesn't sound great, but it's where the body starts to recycle old or worn out cells and tissues and recycles them and takes the nutrients out of them to recycle them to help repair. So it can be really a beneficial action. So autophagy is great. And then we have another process where the body starts to release a substance which is called brain derived neutropic factor, or BDNF for short. Now, BDNF is a substance which is shown to have incredible benefits for the brain. It's likened to a fertiliser for the brain, so it really feeds the brain and nourishes the neurons. Now, this is something that we all can benefit of. As we get older, we need to take care of our brains, particularly. So BDNF is a really beneficial way of doing that. The benefits of fasting are phenomenal. And just a small caveat, if you have suffered with in the past an eating disorder, then fasting is probably not recommended for you. If you have any medical conditions or digestive conditions, particularly hernias, then perhaps longer term fasting is not beneficial for you. However, fasting can be very, very beneficial for many people with digestive issues such as IBS and also inflammatory bowel diseases. By giving the digestive system a break, it can enable the body to start to heal itself. Also, other autoimmune disease can also have been shown, in fact, to benefit greatly from a regular fasting pattern. So fasting, whether you fast for a long-term fast or a 24-hour fast or even intermittent fasting, a 16 type 8 fast, can be incredibly beneficial. And what's more, it's completely free and you save money. So it's a win-win situation. Today I am feeling a little bit tired now, but as I said previously, it was a busy day at work at the Apothecary today. I'm a medical herbalist. I actually had 4 students with me today all day at the Apothecary and had practically patients back to back. But I like that. Being busy is really important. That's my top tip for fasting. Definitely keep busy. Do your usual regime. Don't think that you can only fast if you're on holiday or you're relaxed. I think that gives your body much, or your brain actually too much time to think. And if you're bored, you tend to want to eat. So that is my top tip for today. 48 hours in, so I'm going to sleep tonight. Hopefully I sleep well. I slept really well last night, which was a little bit surprising. So I will keep you posted. Do leave me a comment if you have any questions about fasting. And I will try my best to answer them for you. If you're interested in fasting, do keep it, do like and subscribe to this channel. I've done many blogs before on fasting. You can probably go back to my channel and look at my previous fast. I generally fast twice yearly. So January the 1st through to 7th, and then 6 months later in June. I think it gives the body a really good reset. I think it's really good for willpower. And there are so many benefits to fasting. So we'll talk again tomorrow, and I'll talk about what's being released at the sort of 72-hour mark, 3-day mark, and we will go from there. So please do like, subscribe, share this video if you found it interesting, and I shall be back tomorrow with possibly another Get Ready With Me. If you didn't see my Get Ready With Me, that was me doing 2 of my favourite things, which was talking about health and putting on my makeup. So I may do another one of them tomorrow. So if you would like to be notified when I release my next video, do hit that bell icon. See you then. Bye.